Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you how to do today is how to freeze a column or row in a Google Sheet. So this is an example of a Google Sheet just downloaded from a Google Classroom. You could download assignments or a whole grade book from your Google Classroom. Sometimes teachers will use this for their SGO data, and they want to know, how do I freeze my top row, right, which are the titles for all of these assignments, so that way when I scroll through, that the heading doesn't disappear. I want to freeze it. I could select, say, column 3, and I want to freeze up through column 3. If I go to View, Freeze, and then up to row 3, you'll notice that a little line is kind of now underneath row 3. And when I scroll down, you can see that my total points for the assignment stays frozen all the way up through the student's name, and if there was a date given, stays frozen. I could also select a column. I could do View, Freeze, up to column C. And you'll notice that when I scroll through the data, right, and if I scroll to the right, my names and the email addresses will stay frozen, as well as the titles of the assignments. So a useful tool when you're analyzing data, definitely beneficial.